No Ford Raptors were harmed in the filming of this video. Let's start off with a little exhaust note running through our sequence of normal, straight to sport, and Baja. We took a 2022 Akins Ford Raptor INDO Edition transformation on 37s and upgraded it with our Fox Factory Race Coilover Performance Series leveling kit. Gives you a 2-inch lift in the front. It is so amazing. No paint at all, so it still can be an INDO Edition with no paint as long as it has our special upgrades. If you're ready, let's go. Big 12-inch touchscreen. If you run over a TRX, all you gotta do is look in your backup camera right there. You can just see all the carnage, y'all. But you know we're all about moving forward here, so let's ride. Chill. Part of our crew right there getting everything ready, and I need him to make me a little off-road trail for the Raptor. Yes, sir. And you know, if your boy is out here on the dirt in his special shoes, it's got to be a special review. We have the baddest suspension leveling kit system we've ever put on a Gen 3 Ford Raptor. And it all starts with a 2022 Akins Ford Raptor. Not a lick of paint whatsoever, but that's okay. Your boy Real Deal knows how to INDO it up with no paint in great fashion with the Method MR605 wheel in 20x9 -12 offset. We're on 37, 12.5, 20 BFG KM3s. I chose a 20 on a 37 because of the balance. I love the more mature spokes being a little bit bigger in a 20-inch wheel. The wheel to me just has a better detail and definition, and you still get great ride quality. Personally, a 37 on a 20 is a great balance of both handling and comfort. Plus, here is the secret sauce right here. So we did not do our typical RPG or other brand bottom perch collar level kit. We substituted in lieu of a $4,000 retail price Fox Factory Race Coilover Series 3.0 live valve internal bypass, a pair of coilovers that is the best ride quality you can get. Now, we're out here on the proving grounds just to showcase how well it handles. I mean, I'm here to prove to myself that it's legit, and it is proven to me on the Gen 2 Raptors. We've done several of these recently, actually, on Gen 2 Raptors. So we do have a plentiful stock of these. So hit us up if you're wanting to upgrade even your Gen 3 or your Gen 2 with this system here. It uses sensors and accelerometers. Live valve can instantly adapt to the steering, braking, acceleration inputs, basically to actively maximize the handling, comfort, and bottom out resistance. So it is adapting, as I've told you, like the other live valve system does, but just has remote reservoir, the live valve, semi-active technology. It's plug and play integration with the factory electronics. So this is a great system to add because of the easy plug and play access, but improved ride quality overall. Rebound and compression are both adjustable. Easily adapt and adjust to however sensitive you're looking for. A rotatable hose fitting for easy installation made it easy for Brant to knock this out. And Fox has patented this position sensitive internal bypass dampening technology in the live valve system. It's truly legit, y'all. This is the most legit way, again, you hear me say, the most legit way to level your Gen 3 or your Gen 2, improve the overall ride quality, especially while off-roading, whether you're high speed or low speed. It has everything that you need to get the job done. And then your reservoir is a hard anodized aluminum finned remote reservoir up front there. It's corrosion resistant and helps dissipate heat faster with those external fins. They act kind of like a heat sink for increased heat dispersion. So those fins there around the reservoir is for a purpose. It's just Fox Factory knowing what is the most legit way to keep temperatures at an optimal level so you get the best ride quality possible. But just with that upgrade up front, we're able to run 37s with no problem, even on that -12 offset. And this thing rides amazing. I drove it throughout this entire area here, and essentially just when you see and feel those bumps and imperfections, you do not feel them near as much on the inside like you would otherwise with just like a bottom perch collar level kit. So yes, it is a premium priced kit, but it's a premium truck, especially if it's an Indo edition like this one is here, y'all. You just gotta roll with the most legit way to do it. So a rugged but clean and classy Raptor rendition from us. Our Indo edition looks truly amazing on 37s with no paint whatsoever. Suspension upgrade up front, didn't do anything in the rear. We did do rigid rock lights all the way around for that big 12-inch touchscreen. Can really light up the way. Good look there. And Akins liner in the back, guaranteed for life. Rock lights, level kit, wheels, tires. This one is ready to roll on the inside, what you've known and grown to expect from Ford. Phenomenal. NFC 31187. Here are all of our Indo edition upgrades. We're at 105,524. Pause here for factory options. And this one is available as of today, December 28th. Can you believe the year's almost gone, but we're still rocking on strong with our Indo custom trucks. Option I don't know if you all knew about is you can, while riding down the road, you can pull up your bed camera while riding down the road to check out. I use it actually, y'all, for when I'm on the interstate, especially if I can't see in my blind spot. I oftentimes can see on this backup camera right here if a vehicle is in my blind spot. I can see these corners more than I can see out of my side mirror in certain conditions. So great options from Ford. Our detail guys here at Akins are knocking this bad boy out, getting it ready to go down on the lot. And my summary of this suspension, 100% is going in Brady Rambo's Gen 2 by far, because I got that Ready Lift 2.5-inch spacer kit on it, and you can just feel it being a little bit more rigid. This kit here, even compared to a 37 package or a non-37 package, this kit is a lot better. Now, is it $4,000 better before install? That's to be determined. I guess it just depends on budget and what you're intending to use this for. If it's a daily driver and budget is not an issue, I'm rolling with it, y'all. I'm rolling with it. I'm rolling with it on Brady's truck just because the ride quality is that much better. So there's so many ways to level and or improve overall ride quality and experience in these vehicles. But you know we're #1 for Ford Raptors in the entire country. Also, I believe we're #1 for customizing as well. So much so that we've dubbed our new package Indo Edition, because we just want to keep it nice and clean and mean, just like we are here, y'all. Again, thanks so much for watching. Back to the review. Methods on 37 BFGs, KM3 at that, the Baja Champion and Proven tire. Looking amazing on the Gen 3 platform. Of course, you know your boy would probably want to do some more paint match to this one, but again, you don't have to paint match everything. And there's so many people out there that love a Raptor just the way it is in the stock form. I'm down with you all too, but just know that I know that it's been proven to me time and time again that modifications and upgrades in our Indo Edition package is the way to go. It makes a huge difference both on and off road. Thank y'all so much for watching. It is everything to me to be able to bring hopefully a smile to your face at least, but joy to your heart and being a positive person. And I'm a positive person because I positively know that every day when I wake up, God is for us, not against us. And he is blessing this dealership like no other I've ever seen. That's why you got to come check us out, because we have so many special things that have been going on for over 50 years. But here, especially since I've been here in the past 4 years, it's just been nothing but reward after reward, blessing after blessing. We want to pass that down to you all by delivering great trucks consistently every single time. That's the key to being successful in life. It's working your butt off consistently. It's not for a month or a year or 3 years. Can we go hard for 20? Can we go hard for 10? Absolutely. We ain't stopping, y'all. We're not going anywhere. Come see us, Akins and Willies in Winder, Georgia. Peace out.